Hi there, Lisa Arana here from Dollhouse Designs, here with a quick project featuring the Bunches of Loves monthly sentiment kit from Unity Stamp Company. I just love the flower and vine image and all the great sentiments available in this kit. I have my cardstock all prepped and ready to go in my MISTI so I can start stamping with the flower image first. I like to place a transparency over the top of my cardstock. That way I can do a practice image and get the stamp all lined up and I know that the placement is correct. Once I know that, I remove the transparency and then I just start stamping my image. Now I have a little spot that needed a retouch, so I just re-inked and stamped again. And now I'm stamping my sentiment. The blue ink was really light, so I'm just repeat stamping over and over again so I can get a nice dark image. Next, I'm coloring my image with some Prismacolor colored pencils. I'm starting out with the lightest color of teal, creating a base. And once I have the image filled in, I'll come back in with a darker shade and just create some shadow towards the center of the flower and lightly blending that out. And once I finish the darker spots, I come back in with that lighter color and I blend everything so it looks smooth. I colored all the flowers the same color because I wanted to keep it kind of simple and monochromatic. And then I went in and did the leaves the same way in green, again with two colors. Now that I've finished coloring, I'm just laying down my die cut and cutting that image out. And I thought it'd be fun to create a little bit of dimension with those leaves. So I'm using an X-Acto knife to just slowly cut around those leaves, and that way I'll be able to pop each one up. I did some practice on some scrap paper just so I could get the feel of the knife on how it slides, and then I just move really slowly. That way I don't cut my leaf off. And I just finished up all these leaves and then popped them up so you can see a bit of that craft cardstock behind them. I added a bow to the bottom of that center image and popped it up on my card with some foam adhesive. Also colored another set of those flowers, popped those up with some foam adhesive, and now I'm just coloring over it with a bit of sparkle with a Wink of Stella pen. Last, I'm adding some Nuvo dots and sequins using glossy accents to glue those down, just again to add some more sparkle to my card. So here's the finished card with its cute cutouts that help highlight the leaves in this image and adds a little bit of interest. Thanks for watching, you guys. I hope you enjoyed, and I'll see you next time. Bye.